Editing worksheets. The class teacher of 6th A has prepared a monthly planner using various options available in Microsoft Excel 2016. The planner needs some corrections. Let's edit the worksheet and make the necessary changes. A column should be inserted for adding the names of days. Let's include it. Select column B. Click on the arrow next to the Insert option in the Cells group on the Home tab. A drop-down list appears. Click on the Insert Sheet Columns option. A new column is added to the left of the selected column. Let's now type the names of the corresponding days in the new column. Text in cell C5 should have been Enter House Football Match. The word football is missing. By double-clicking inside the cell C5, we can make the required change. We can also change this text in the formula bar. Look, the content in cell C5 has been modified. The width of column B needs adjusting. Let's do that next. Select the entire text in column B. Then, click on the arrow next to the Format option in the Cells group. A drop-down list appears. From the list of options, choose Column Width. Enter width as 12 in the dialog box and click OK. Look, the column width has been changed. We can change the row height similarly. For this, select the entire table and choose the option Row Height from the drop-down menu of the Format option. Enter height as 25 in the dialog box. Now, click OK. There, the row height has changed. We can even change the row height by dragging the border of the row. Let's resize the first row with the heading Monthly Planner by dragging its border. Place the mouse pointer at the bottom border of the row. The pointer shape will change to a double-headed arrow. Drag the border to change the height. That's the edited planner. There, we have easily edited the data using various options available in Microsoft Excel 2016. Wasn't that easy?